Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Company registration in USA. Why is USA considered ideal for establishing companies? USA is the hub of business and companies and the world's largest economy. Anyone who wants to expand their business can reap the benefits of opening a company in USA. It provides one of the most accommodating turfs for businesses to establish and flourish in the States. Why should Indians register a company in the US? Business laws and corporate laws are well formed for foreign businesses to settle in. Corporate income taxes are very low, making it feasible to establish a company. States like Delaware, Nevada, and Wyoming have very accommodating taxation laws. Some businesses have a consumer demand from the non-resident Indians. Such businesses require expansion to the USA. Ways of forming a corporation in USA. Standalone entities. A corporation created as a separate entity from the companies that already exist in US. Subsidiary entities. A corporation formed as an entity that is wholly a subsidiary of a company outside USA. Types of companies that can be set up in USA. There are primarily two types of companies that can be established in USA, which are Limited Liability Company LLC and C Corporation. LLC is mostly preferred due to its easy adaptability and easy taxation. People prefer C Corporation when they want to start a new company or if they want to start a public company. Advantages of LLC company. It offers great growth possibilities, it poses lesser risk, it has higher credibility for the business that has been incorporated, it has no limit to the number of shareholders. In case of an LLC company, there is no need to pay too many taxes, therefore it is tax efficient. Advantages of C Corporation. Beneficial to foreign businesses. It gives you multiple tax planning opportunities. It provides free transferability of shares which are offered by it. No limit on the number of owners or shareholders. Profits are taxed at legal entity level. Procedure for company registration. Step 1. Decide the business organization which is right for you. Step 2. Decide the location for setting up your company. Step 3. Register your company. Step 4. Apply for employer identification number. Step 5. Open a US bank account, specifically a merchant account, to be able to accept payments from customers. Step 6. Purchase business insurance. Step 7. Research about your tax liability. Step 8. Pay annual fees and any other fees that may be required in the due course of business. Step 9. Be sure about being in compliance with the state or city laws where your company is situated. Conclusion. To conclude, we can say that establishing a company in USA can be highly beneficial for any person who is non-resident of USA due to the low taxes and the accommodative laws of the nation. However, one must also be careful that he is not infringing any law or rule of the country. And if a person works in the right manner, nobody can stop him from reaching heights. Thank you.